Hey, what's up, guys? Omar Martin here, along with this guy, James Neville Taylor. And I just wanted to jump on camera real quick with James. James is here at my house, and we just spent an afternoon just networking and masterminding, really, about your upcoming product.
Yep.
And one of the cool things that I wanted to tell you about James is that I didn't even know you 2 years ago.
No.
And now you're on leaderboards, you're crushing it online, you're traveling the world. How many continents now?
3 different continents.
Speaking on stage,
Yeah.
telling your story.
Yep.
And when I met this guy, he came to one of our events and he was like in this little shell, like, hi, my name is James. Like, big dude like him, just like, almost like afraid to talk to people. And now he's like the life of the party, and I want to tell you that this is a guy that is taking action. And I wanted this video, we're actually recording at the time that this was filmed. We were recording something completely different. And I said, you know what, James? You're just doing so well. I want to jump on camera and just give you a quick endorsement. Maybe you can use this on one of your sites or something. But James is a guy that you want to get to know and you want to align yourself with right now. Because I've been doing this a while and I've seen people that come in and they're just like flashes in the pan. James is not that guy. James is a guy that's taking action and making all the right moves and developing so quickly that he's going to be just a guru, a force to be reckoned with a few years. You're probably going to forget who I am, right? Like years from now, I'm going to be like, James, I'm going to be talking to your assistant. But anyway, guys, if you have an opportunity to work with James Neville Taylor, go ahead and do it. I give James my complete endorsement. The stuff that he's teaching, I understand the traffic that he's doing, his affiliate marketing. Not only that, but just his story in general is so heartwarming and is so it's so true. It's just a real, true success story. And I encourage you to get behind this guy, find out what he's doing, tap into his products and his success, and follow his instructions. Because if you get even a fraction of the success that this guy's having, you're going to be crushing it online too. So congratulations on all your success,
so much,
man.
Man. I really
No problem,
appreciate
no
that.
problem, brother.
Thank you.
And I wish you a lot more. Follow this guy. He knows what he's doing.